Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome to our channel. This is Mukesh Janma from Titanium English Classes, Udaipur.
And this is Pratik Kamal from Best English Classes, Bikaner.
Here we are back with a new topic that will help you to have a great discussion. I mean, group discussion or debate. We are going to discuss the topic joint family versus nuclear family, advantages and disadvantages of both family. But before we start the discussion, I must tell everyone if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Now, let's begin the discussion. This GD will help you. You note down the points what we are going to discuss. Then you also start this type of conversation with your friends. So, Pratik sir, without delay, let's start. Joint family versus nuclear family. What are your views?
Sir, I believe that nuclear family has more advantages over joint family because there will be no conflict. There are many conflicts with extended family. As but in nuclear family, they will have much fewer possibilities of conflict. What do you say?
Uh, See, the conflicts are the part of life. All five fingers are not equal. So, I believe we have to keep these conflicts in other sides, but there are so many benefits, so many advantages we should see. Like joint families are cost effective units. Rents will be saved if people are living on rent. Uh, Shared financial responsibilities will reduce the burden on everyone, isn't it?
Yeah, we can say that, but it actually makes some of the people from younger generation lazy because they think that elders have money, so why we need to earn money? They are not responsible enough, I think. And as far as you said, conflicts are part of life, but in joint families, people of different generations are living under one roof, and their thinking cannot match.
Okay, fine. The thinking cannot be matched between the husband and wife as well, but
Yeah.
at some extent I have to agree. My next point that people who were raised in joint families can easily mingle with other people, and it will it will be very helpful in having an active social life. uh, Functions and festivals will be super fun because there are more people. There will be no dearth of friends because of having cousins in their own home, isn't it?
Yes, you can mingle with them, you can enjoy with them, you can enjoy in the festival, but it's difficult to convince everyone in the family in case of taking decisions.
Okay. Okay. Now, next one, then I must give another example with the best advantage. What people expect the support from the family members, and I think people in joint family will have the plenty of support in times of difficulties. Uh, Members of joint families are less likely to suffer from loneliness and depression. What do you say?
Okay, but older generation is in habit of criticizing younger generation, and you will not find gender equality in joint families. Nuclear families tend to have more gender equality when compared to joint families because it does not contain elders to impose the age-old beliefs on the entire family.
Mm. Okay. You see, this is the change is the rule of the nature. See, uh, slowly, people want their privacy in the life. But don't you think in this current era, increasing incidents of child kidnapping, human trafficking is the worrying issues for parents of children? In joint families, this fear will be lesser because there will be a number of people to take care of their children, isn't it?
Okay, at some point you are right, but there are cases of domestic violence in some families, and when you see your uncle and aunt fighting and you see such scenes, then this gives a bad impact on the younger generation. You also learn good things. If you learn good things, you also learn bad things in the family. One more thing I want to say, that there is less privacy for everyone in the family. It's tough to reach a consensus because of the number of people involved.
Hmm.
What do you say?
Yes. The see, it is. I cannot be 100% agreed with you, because even in the nuclear family also sometimes parents have conflicts, and there will be bad impression on that. But one more point, uh, when it comes to the culture, when it comes to the manners and etiquettes in the joint family, because elderly parents will get the support of children, and young parents will get the help of their parents in raising kids. So the family is well balanced in joint family.
Sir, when they take help, na, those lazy members of the family, they start taking it for granted. They start taking for granted the earning members of the family. And adults in nuclear families, in contrast, will learn to be independent and will take responsibility to support their family. The same will be learned by kids, and they can easily sustain when they migrate to a new area to live on their own. What do you say?
Yeah, I can say to Mark, it will be okay. But the family doesn't mean only privacy and the thing you're talking about. There are so many things, as I said, that culture, safety, security, and the point I'm going to share, that is a support. The kids will have the guidance and support of grandparents in joint family, when, especially when both the parents are working. This support will be of a great help. It happens in metro cities that husband and wife both are working, and the kids are alone at home. So is it not right that
Yes, definitely. Mental support is one thing, but you also talked about financial support. But you see, when you have support from your parents and grandparents, then again, you have responsibilities also. You have financial responsibilities also. And sometimes your savings go for that. Parents can save money for the future of their kids in nuclear family, as they will have fewer expenses. They need
hmm,
not worry about the marriage of daughter of their uncle and cousin.
this this saving can be done when you're living in joint family, because there will be less expenses, right? Uh, well, but it was a healthy discussion, Pratik sir.
Yes,
Uh,
endless topic.
it is endless topic. See, but I try to give some better points. Even you gave the best points, and
Mhm.
out of these points, students will take something out, and they will start the same discussion with whoever they can do, and discussion leads to success in language.
Yes.
So, any message you want to give to the students?
Yes, definitely. If you want to improve your English, I think this YouTube channel is worth to be subscribed. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe our channel. And if you like the discussion, like it. If you dislike, please dislike it and give your feedback. Also, you tell us, are you living in a joint family or a nuclear family? And is it good for you or bad for you? Okay, with that said, thank you so much. See you soon with some more videos. Bye bye.
Okay, see you. Bye bye.